Today we are going to be showing you the contents of a Proto 2000 50-ton or emergency hopper. Like I said, we are just showing the contents, not the building of it. I might do a video of us building it. It depends on how complex it is. It does say that it is a time saver kit, so it shouldn't be that hard. So as you can see, we have the instructions. And then we have our wheel sets and couplers. Next, we have this little bag, which seems to be full of grab irons, which I think they're metal, which is better than the plastic ones. Next, we have the main shell. I think if I can get it out. Here is the main body. That is really nice, actually. There's the underside, other side, B end, I think, and then the A end. Now, I bought this as a 2-pack, brand new, so I have another one, but the next little baggie is probably the extra other parts. Yes, okay. So, careful. Oops. Here we've got these parts. And we've got this sprue. And we've got the hatches, I think. And that is, oh, there's one more piece. Oh, 2 more pieces. We've got the brake wheel and other stuff. And we've got the middle. And that is all that is in this kit. So, bye-bye.